These are the low-grade switchblades. Beautiful nonetheless. These are the Mexican type switchblades. These are very hard to come by. They're the cheaper model, but they're great knives. They're very, very hard to come by. They're more expensive than the Frank Beltrames. Another one here. Again, a very, very hard knife to find. Mint condition. Tight lockup. Another one. It says Rizzuto Stiletto. Very nice knives. They're on the low end of the spectrum, but they're beautiful nonetheless. This is a brand new one. Very good knife. There's the twin to it. It says Rizzuto Stiletto. This one I'm not too crazy about, but it's kind of a low-end model. This one, same thing. They're easy to come by. There's not very many. Or I mean, they're quite a bit out. This one, same deal. As you can tell, the quality is just not there on this one. Half the time it'll work, half the time it won't. There's a NATO version of it. Parachute switchblade knife. It's made by Camulus. Very beautiful knife. This is about the cheapest knife I have, but it works. It's a lever operated one. Anyway, thought you'd like to see them. Take it easy.